Hey, this is Anuj Iyengar on this side, and today I am very excited to share with you about the number one key to be more happier in your life. So, before we actually jump into this video, there is a short disclaimer that I want to give to you. Out of every 100 people who are going to watch this video, only 4 of them would be able to relate to what I'm trying to say. So, if you're not able to actually grasp or understand what I'm trying to say over here, that is perfectly fine. That is okay. Just make sure that you watch this video at least 3 to 4 times, because this can absolutely change your life when this actually hits. Okay. And if you have a bulb on moment while you're watching this video, I would like you to share it in the comment section. So if you find this video very useful, then make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notifications. And if you find this useful, please make sure that you share it with your friends, your family members, as well as your colleagues, so that even they can get the benefit out of it. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let us actually jump into the topic. So the number one question that comes into our mind is, how can I be happier in my life? How is it that I can be more motivated? How can I be more productive throughout my day? So most people, what they do is they try to find out short answers or short solutions to change their habits, to be more happier in your life. See, I have heard people that they go through affirmations, they write down their goals daily. I agree, that all is important, but on the back end there is something that is very huge that no one else out there is willing to talk about, and that is the difference between a sight and a vision. A sight is something that you can see with your eyes. Okay, for example, a sight is when you can see the car in front of you, when you can see the furniture around your house. That is your sight. But when you close your eyes and when you imagine things, when you're visualizing things, that is when it becomes your vision. And believe me, a vision is much greater than what a sight is. What my mentor used to tell me is that your perception will soon become your reality. So if you are able to take your perception to the next level, you can take your life to the next level. Okay, always remember this. Perception is your reality. So whatever things that you imagine, whatever things that you think about in the back of your head, those soon will become your reality. And the biggest problem that people face in today's world is that they have a finite vision. There is a huge difference between a finite and an infinite vision. A finite vision is one which can be easily achieved by you, and after that vision is achieved, you're not motivated enough to actually keep going on in your life. Okay, the best example that comes into my mind is of the astronauts that went to space a few years ago. So according to a study which I was reading through, I noticed that 80% of the astronauts that came back from space, they faced depression in their lives. That is because the only goal for them was to go to space and come back. Then another example which comes to my mind is of myself. When I was in my 10th grade, my entire environment was such that everyone used to tell me that after you finish your 10th, you will be totally free. You will be able to enjoy your life, and then you can be totally happy. But guess what? After I completed my 10th, everyone was like, now you have got to do your 12th. Now you have got to give your competitive exams. Now you have got to get a job and stuff. And then I was like, wait a second. How did that happen? I was told that I would be happier as soon as I complete my 10th. But that didn't happen. And if you are a person who went through the same, then welcome to the group. Okay, welcome to the group. So that is because when you are living around people who have a finite vision, you yourself develop finite vision. Okay, so another example of a finite vision is of your job. If you are a person who goes to a job, and if you're thinking about when you will retire and then you'll be able to enjoy your life, then guess what? I'll tell you this right now itself. If you are a person who's looking forward for retirement, then you are screwed. You won't be happy even after you retire. That is because once you actually get to that point, then there is nothing else left to motivate you in your life. And when you have a finite vision, right, then after some time, when you're not able to get to that finite vision in a short span of time, then you get demotivated, then you start losing happiness in your life, then you get into depression, you get into anxiety. And that is the problem which 96% of the people in this entire world face. They have a finite vision, they live by day to day practices, and they don't plan out the next day. They just go forward and they think that I'll just see whatever comes up, I'll do it. But that is not how you're supposed to live life. You just have one life, why do you want to waste it? So I want you to have an infinite vision. An infinite vision is something that is a very huge topic, and to be honest, I don't think that I can cover everything about the infinite vision in this video. So I'll tell you whatever I know from my experience. Okay, I won't tell you stuff which I have not gone through myself. Okay, I won't let you know about that stuff. So when it comes to an infinite vision is one which is always motivating you until and unless you die. Okay, in fact, an infinite vision is one in which even after you are not present, the vision keeps on going. Your vision is still alive. And the next question that always comes up into anyone's mind is, how do I find my infinite vision? The simple answer to this is, you don't find your infinite vision. Your infinite vision finds you. So the best example from which you can relate to this is actually a scene from a movie Avatar. I just want to play that 30-second scene right now so that you can see what I'm talking about.
Now you choose your Ikran. This you must feel inside. If he also chooses, you move quick like I showed. You will have one chance, Jake.
How will I know if he chooses me?
He will try to kill you.
Outstanding.
So, what did you learn from that scene? Your infinite vision will come at you like anything. It will try to kill you, literally try to kill you. Because when you find your infinite vision, right, your life would completely change. Just within a day, okay, within a day, your life will completely change. You will be more motivated. You won't even need the alarm clock in the morning to get up. As soon as I found my infinite vision, I stopped using my phone or my alarm clock to actually put on the alarm and get up in the morning. I no longer need an alarm clock to get up. In fact, the problem is I have sleepless nights because I have found my vision and that vision does not let me sleep. And that is why every time I get up in the morning, I am more motivated, more pumped. And that is what happens with most of the successful people out there. They know that their vision is an infinite one. They know that their life will not be enough to actually accomplish that vision completely. So the main aim for them is to build a legacy that can go on for generations, which will actually help to achieve that vision, that infinite vision. I know that I'm talking about really deep stuff on this video right now, but please, when this actually hits you, right, your life would never be the same. You would never look at small problems or small things for your happiness, such as the biggest question that I am asked is that how can I start earning money quickly? How can I get another source of income? And guys, I know that I can help you do that. I can help you earn money. I can help you generate passive income like this. But that is not something that will motivate you after you have achieved it. I want you to be constantly on your high. I want you to be constantly motivated. And the only way to do that is to have an infinite vision, is to have something that pulls you. The biggest problem is that people try to force habits into themselves. And when you do that, you completely disrupt your life. Because when you're pushing, then it is more likely for you to fail. But when you're getting pulled by a force which is much larger than you, then there is absolutely no way that you're going to give up. Okay, always remember this. So don't try to push yourself to actually get to your vision. Your vision will automatically pull you if it is that important for you. And the next question that arises into our brain is, how do I find my vision? So, as I told you, you don't find your vision finds you. You just have to be in that receptive mode to actually understand your vision, to actually get your vision. Okay, so how do you be more receptive? You be more receptive by including receptive habits into your mindset. Okay, so the best 3 habits which I do to be receptive to new things is writing my goal card, listening to the strangest secret in the world, and writing my goals daily. When I'm doing these 3 things, I know that these are the things that I want to accomplish and this is my vision. So when I do those things, I am automatically more receptive to new things, and as soon as I'm more receptive, new ideas start coming in my head, and that is how I was able to actually realize my vision. You never find a vision, you realize a vision. Okay, so that is what I wanted to tell you in this video, and I hope that this will actually help you change your life. And believe me, if you are not a person who is getting this in the first go itself, go through this video at least 3 to 4 times. This can absolutely change your life. I promise you this. You will, as soon as you find your infinite vision, right, you will automatically be more motivated, be more enthusiastic, be more powerful throughout the day. You will start being so kind and humble to others. People will love to be around you, and that is the way you're supposed to live your life. You're not supposed to keep money or businesses for your next generations. You're supposed to give a vision for your next generations. The best example of visionaries we have are Dr. Martin Luther King, Mahatma Gandhi, we have Steve Jobs, we have the Ratan Tatas of the world, we have the Bill Gates of the world. These people, it doesn't matter even if their future generations have money or not, but these people have made sure that their future generations have a vision to look forward to. They have a vision that they can pursue. And if you are that person who is able to create an infinite vision for this entire world, then there is no one or nothing that can absolutely stop you from getting towards that. Okay, so that is what I wanted to tell you from this video, that please don't focus on the short or the small wins of your life. Okay, these are there to motivate you for a very short time, such as passing your exam with good marks, or getting a new job, or finally getting retirement after finishing a job. These things, they will motivate you for a very short period of time. But there has to be something bigger, much bigger than these small wins. And I want you to pursue that big thing, that one thing which you truly believe in from the bottom of my heart. Truly believe in from the bottom of your heart. So that always reminds me that what is my vision? My vision is to create such a world for all the visionaries out there who believe that they can change the world. Okay, I want to create a huge community for all those people who are crazy enough to think that they can change the world. It is whatever way it is in that they think about. Okay, whatever that they have in their mind. If they believe that they can change the world, if you believe that you can change the world, then you're most welcome into my community, into our community known as the Game Changers Hub. Because in that community, our main aim is to respect and help those people who want to create a difference in the world. And believe me, the ones who are crazy enough to think that they can change this world are the ones that actually do. Okay, always remember, the ones who are crazy enough to think that they can change the world are the ones who can actually do it. So I truly respect you from the bottom of my heart if you are a person who is crazy enough, because believe me, even I am that kind of a person. So I want to create a huge difference in this world, and I want you to create a huge difference in this world by your infinite vision. So take out some time of the day for yourself. Be alone if you want to, but please find out the bigger purpose in your life. Be pulled by the bigger purpose in your life. Don't push yourself towards those small wins which will only motivate you for a short period of time. Okay, that is the number one secret to happiness in this entire world. As soon as you find your infinite vision, you won't need to look for happiness in some other things. You won't need to look for motivation or energy in some other things. You will automatically get that in your life. Okay, you will automatically change your entire perspective about yourself. The way you dress up, the way you walk, the way you talk, your attitude, your mindset, your value system, everything will change as soon as you find your infinite vision. And none of your physical appearances will actually be your calling card. They won't define you. Your vision will define you. Okay, always remember, your vision is what will define you. So that's it for this video. Stay unique, stay awesome, and be a visionary. Bye bye.